Unlike the interns in movies, I don't get people's coffees, ordering people's lunches. No, that's not what I do here. Hi, my name is Sophie. I'm a marketing and international business major at AUT. My role for my internship is the corporate communications intern at the Warehouse Group. When I tell my friends and family that I'm interning at the warehouse, they ask me questions like, do you get any discounts? How I got my internship was through the AUT Employability's website, and I just applied from there, and here we are. The Warehouse Group is the largest retail brand in New Zealand. A lot of Kiwis grew up with the brand, including myself. My friends and family, they ask me, what do you do? It all depends on the day. So there are times where I'd be working on projects that I've been assigned to, assist with filming. I also helped out with PR events. It's just getting that real hand experience that might be my potential career in the future. Future employers will be like, she's already onto it, she's got the experience, it will give me a step up. Something I really liked about studying at AUT was the internships in my degree really helped me to push myself out there into the working world.